Hi friends, welcome to Merlin's Magical Recipes. All of you must have eaten idli, chutney, idli sambar. Today I will show you a different way of making idli, two types. One is tiranga idli and one is sweet puran idli. Now let us see the ingredients for making the idli. This is 3 cups of rice, any rice you can take. 1 cup of urad dal. You have to soak both this for 4-5 hours and then grind it and keep it overnight. This is already ground and kept overnight. You have to add little salt to this, and this is the idli batter. Now this is for the sweet idli puran, that is 1 cup of coconut, half cup of jaggery. You have to make the green chutney. I'll show you the ingredients for the green chutney. This is coconut, just half a cup you can take. Coriander leaves. This is 5-6 cloves of garlic, peeled ones. This is capsicum, one small capsicum you have to grind in the green chutney. It gives a nice flavor and color too. And 1 teaspoon of jeera. Add the salt as required. This is for the green chutney. Now for the red chutney, you have to have tomato, 1 tomato, 5-6 cloves of peeled garlic, 1 teaspoon of jeera and 3-4 red chilies. Coconut, half a cup of coconut. After you grind this, you have to add salt also little as per taste. And this is 1 carrot which is grated. You have to add to the this orange chutney afterwards. So come, let us now grind the chutneys. To make the sweet filling, that is puran, you have to melt the jaggery first. Before adding the coconut, the jaggery should be melted on slow gas. The coconut and jaggery is fully melted and nicely mixed. Now you can off the gas and remove it out in a bowl. Now the puran, what we have melted, the jaggery and the coconut is ready. The green chutney is ready. And this red chutney will turn into orange because we are adding the carrots, grated carrots in that. You have to mix the grated carrots so that the chutney turns into orange. Now we have put 2 vegetables in these chutneys. This is carrot and in this we have put capsicum. So the chutneys are very nutritious for the children who don't eat vegetables. Here, this is all ready. Now in this green chutney, if anybody wants to have it little pungent, you can add green chilies also. I have added the capsicums, but whoever wants to have a little bit pungentness can add 3-4 green chilies, so the chutney gets little pungent. Now we will put it for steaming. Just put little ghee. These 7 idlis I will make tiranga idlis, and this tray of 7 idlis I will show you the sweet puran idlis. First I will show you the tiranga idlis. You have to put a very fine layer because you have to have 2 layers of chutneys on that. So very fine layer you have to put. Then first will come the green chutney on this. You have to spread the chutney very nicely. Then you put a second layer of this batter on the top. Just a fine layer. Go on spreading the batter, second layer of batter. Now you have to spread this chutney on top of that. Go on spreading nicely so that the top layer looks orange. That makes it tiranga. The idlis are nicely covered up. Now the next one we will do is the Puran sweet idlis. For this you have to put half of the batter first. Yeah, you have to put half of the batter. Then you have to spread this coconut and jaggery which we have mixed up. This makes the idlis sweet idlis, which are called Puran idlis. Yeah, you have to spread it all out like this. Yeah, now you have to spread all this Puran in this. Before putting the final layer of the batter. Now you can just spread the final layer of the batter on top of this Puran. You have to spread all this nicely. Yeah, this is the way it should be done. Now we can put both these trays for steaming. Now we'll put it for steaming. Both the trays. And steam this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now 20 minutes have passed. We can off the gas and remove these trays out. You have to slowly remove this because it is very hot. Yeah. Now just wait for some time. Now once you remove it out, after another 5 minutes, you just wait till it gets cooled down, and then slowly you can lift the idlis. I'll just show you with lifting too. Yeah. Now can lift these also. Now these idlis are steamed and ready. These are the Puran idlis and this is the Tiranga idlis. Now I will cut and show you. Friends, these idlis are ready to eat. This is the Puran idli which I have cut into half, and these are the Tiranga idlis which are also cut into half. You can see the colors. These idlis are very good to carry when you are traveling on trips, because you don't have to carry chutney separately, which turns out very messy. Friends, do try out all my recipes, and till then, bye.